Yes.
Good afternoon,
Sit.
sir.
Sit.
Thank you, sir.
Introduce yourself.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Lakshay Purohit. I am 17 years old. I am from Sikar, Rajasthan. In my family, apart from my parents, I have one younger sister. She is currently in class 8. My father is a serviceman and my mother is a teacher. Talking about my educational qualification, I have completed my class 10th from SSC board with an aggregate percentage of 84.4%, and I have completed my class 12th from CBSE board with an aggregate percentage of 80%, and my PCM percentage is 70%. And sir, my hobby is playing cricket, so that's all about me.
Your hobby is playing cricket.
Yes, sir.
Cricket. Who is your favorite cricketer?
So my favorite cricketer is Virat Kohli.
Why?
So his playing skills, he's a very good, means like sir, he plays very good cricket.
Three positive thing about
Positive things, sir.
Yeah.
So positive thing is work ethic. So and sir, he is very much positive during. Sorry, sir. Sir, he is very much. Very much self-motivated. So he is very much calm during the important, crucial situations also. And sir, sorry, sir.
Negative thing.
So sometimes he is much more aggression is good in sport. So but sometimes the aggression which he keeps may be very much tough for the other players. Like as we have seen about Naveen-ul-Haq, who is a Afghanistani player, and so it may be very much difficult for the other players. And so sometimes he is very much bad in talking with the interviewer and other person.
Like
So sometimes he may be rude to talk with them.
any example for that?
So we have seen in the Australian test matches when India has gone over there to play the matches. So that time he was rude and he was talking a little bit in a ruder way with the interviewer.
So you are a good batsman or a bowler?
So I play all round.
Okay, you are an all-rounder. Okay. Who is your favorite all-rounder?
So my favorite all-rounder is Ravindra Jadeja.
Ravindra Jadeja.
Yes.
Can you tell me 2 new rules of IPL?
So new rule is that a bowler can bowl 2 bouncers in IPL, and so other new rule which was being included in previous IPL season, which was that there is one player, what their name is, so that rule was that one player can be changed.
Impact player.
Impact player, yes sir.
Any other rule? One more rule is there, which is only for IPLs.
Only IPL. Sorry sir, I know about that bouncer rule only.
Why do you want to join Merchant Navy?
So I would like to start the answer by lightning on my past. When I was in class 8, I got familiar to this profession. As my friend's brother is in Merchant Navy, his regards provoked my interest to join Merchant Navy. So from that point in time, I started searching a bit about Merchant Navy. And so I love the fact that the Merchant Navy was the only profession which was on its full phase during lockdown also, which motivated me to join, to make my profession as a Merchant Navy officer. And so other thing I would like to conclude about which motivates me to join Merchant Navy, sir, it has a psychological safety. As long as we adhere to rules and regulations and discipline, our job is secure in Merchant Navy. It gives me financial stability at a very young age, and it has a very stable growth, and it has a very stable growth path. So like every job every job has a means a third officer, from cadet to third officer there is a particular time duration and things.
How much time will it take to move from third officer to second officer?
So it will take around 2 years or 3 years.
How many sales?
So sorry sir, I don't know.
You are talking about that and you don't know.
So it's like I've talked to the people who are in merchant navy. They told that everyone has a particular duration and
Yeah,
total chill.
that is a different thing, but you must know about this, no? How
Yes,
much duration will it be?
I will search it about it.
Okay. Which one is your favorite movie?
So my favorite movie is MS Dhoni, The Untold Story.
Why?
So it is a biopic of the Mr. MS Dhoni, who is the ex-captain of the Indian cricket team, and this movie tells us about that how he struggled during his starting time, how he became a cricketer, and so struggles he faced in his life. Yes, sir.
3 positive things about MS Dhoni.
So MS Dhoni is like, sir, it has a, because of his fitness level, he has increased. Like, sir, Virat Kohli is now being means like more is in news like that he has motivated to be a very much physically fit. But sir, it was being started by MS Dhoni. Means like physical fitness should be must to be in the cricket team.
Okay, what is the negative thing about MS Dhoni?
So, sorry sir, I don't know. No negative things means.
No, he is a god.
Not sir, God sir, but he is means like he is a calm person. He likes to stay calm during. And so nowadays it has been seen like sometimes sometimes 1 or 2 cases I've seen that he had been a bit rude with the players.
Okay, what if I give you 1 crore rupees? What will you do?
So if you give me 1 crore rupee, so I will first of all I will like to save 10% of it for my DNS course, and so 10%, and so other 10% for my for any situation which may appear in the future. I will save it for 10% that way. And sir, I will out of I will take 30% and I will buy a land which is in our area. So as it is a developing area, so sir, it will be very much good for it. And sir, 10% I will like to donate. So 5% I will like to donate in a cow shed which is in our village. So when am I leisure or means like sir on the weekend I go over there and try to help the people over there. And so 5% I would like to give. There is a stadium in a village, and so all the players who are at the state level or some few district level also, so they do daily practices, various sports like badminton and football. So sir, I would like to give it to the coach who is over there. I have also started going over there, means I have gone till my 11th standard over there for playing football. And sir, they equipped with the means like they give us football and other things to play. So I would like to give it to them as they may help the future students to get more equipments and other things which will be needed for them. And sir, out of that 10% I would like to fulfill my dream of my parents. Sir, dream like they wanted to go to the Char Dham Yatra. Sir, I would like to take them to the Char Dham Yatra. It will cost nearly around 8 to 10 lakhs rupees, sir. And sir, other I would like to invest in the mutual fund as a on the safer side.
Okay. Suppose you are on a ship, yes, and there someone in your family is actually seriously ill. What will you do?
So in that situation, sir, I will talk to the captain about the situation, and sir, try to make sure that anything must not be means like sir, I have to not also leave the sir means I would like to talk to the captain and tell him about the crucial situation. So sir, as it will be means like sir, any person may come to take my job, sir, I will talk to him, captain, and sir, try to make him understand that what
suppose you are not able to go home,
then sir, it will be a difficult situation for me. But sir, as my family members would help them and my near ones in that situation, and as soon as I will be possible to go to home, sir, I will try to make sure that I go to home. Maybe not that time, sir, maybe after half a month or 1 month.
ठीक है, चलो, let's conclude it. इंट्रोडक्शन ठीक है तेरा,
ओके सर।
वाया मर्चेंट नेवी में तू फंस गया, सेकंड से थर्ड से सेकंड ऑफिसर में कितना, ये सब चीज़ें पता करके रखे आप।
Okay, sir.
जब आप ये बोलते हो ना स्ट्रक्चर है, क्लैरिटी है, तो ये पता होना चाहिए।
ओके सर।
क्रिकेट में भी तू फंस गया, तुझे रूल नहीं पता था। आईपीएल जब देख रहे हो तो आईपीएल के रूल देख करके जाओ। वाइड बॉल वाला जो रूल है ना, जिसमें प्लेयर वाइड बॉल के लिए
ओके सर।
बोल देता है, वो रूल आईपीएल में ही है और कहीं नहीं है, ठीक है। बॉडी लैंग्वेज बहुत लो है,
ओके सर।
कहीं कहीं तो तू आंसर एकदम रट के एकदम फट 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 बोलते चले जा रहा है, कहीं कहीं पे ढंग से बोल ही नहीं पा रहा है, एकदम लो है, वो बहुत धीमी आवाज़ है। कम्युनिकेशन स्किल भी गड़बड़ हो रही है इन बिटवीन कई जगह पर, जहाँ पे तू कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं, कॉन्फिडेंस और आई कांटेक्ट ठीक है, कॉन्फिडेंस में प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है।
ओके सर।
MS धोनी के बारे में भी कई सारी नेगेटिव थिंग्स हैं, यू हैव टू सर्च इट आउट। मूवी देखोगे तो केवल पॉजिटिव चीज़ नहीं पता चलेंगी, नेगेटिव नहीं पता चलेगी, तो वो भी सर्च करो, ठीक है ना।
ओके सर।
बाकी सारे आंसर ठीक है। विराट के बारे में भी वैसे ही तेरे साथ में था, बाकी तो चलो ठीक है। बस ये कि नर्वसनेस की वजह से तूने आंसर खराब कर दिए हैं, बाकी ठीक है। तुझे अब उसके ऊपर और थोड़ा काम करना पड़ेगा, जितना रिहर्सल हो सकता है उतना रिहर्सल करो। ओके,
थैंक यू सर।